So today I'm with Carl from South Shields FC, and I'm just sort of going to get a little update on how is the club going?
Club's going very well. Countdown now to the new season ahead. As you can see behind me, the pitch has been renovated. Gary's doing a cracking job there.
It's very green. Very green. Just moving into, obviously you've got a new manager and some new players and stuff. How's that going?
Yeah, I've got a new manager in place, Ian, and his assistant Carl, doing a great job. You've probably seen on social media some of the new signings already coming in. The guys start training fully next week again. Countdown to the 12th of July for our first pre-season friendly against Sunderland.
Big match.
Very big match.
Yeah, obviously for that you'll be getting a new kit, and have we got any news about when?
Yeah, the kit's been signed off. We're just waiting for arrival. Kit launch will be announced very soon, within the next 2 weeks. Looking forward to that. Very looking forward to see the new kit revealed. Bumper crowd against Sunderland. There's still a few tickets left, not many. So any viewers out there want to get tickets, get online now and make sure you don't miss out.
Keep an eye out for that one. So obviously there's lots of excitement about what's going on at the club at the moment, and well, there's going to be something on the front of that shirt, isn't there?
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you Pulman again. It's the 5th season front of shirt sponsorship. Looking forward to seeing a new kit with the Pulman logo and the Pulman branding on the home kit. Obviously Cooper will be on the away kit.
So obviously we are the front of shirt sponsor, but that's not just for the men's team, is it? It sort of goes a little bit further than that.
Oh, correct, Max. No, the front of shirt sponsor is fantastic for the men's team, but also Pullman cover the ladies team. For the home kit, for the away kit, we'll have Cupra on all our shirts, which includes International Academy, which is a fantastic build-up to the club now. Again, fantastic commitment, working with Sunderland University. I know Lee and the guys are doing a cracking job there to build the numbers for the intake in September. All the guys that come over from the States predominantly will be wearing the Pullman branding on all the kit as well.
It's fantastic to get younger people into football as well in a great club like South Shields.
Amazing.
And obviously we've got our Kick to Win competition coming up. It's a pretty big prize pot. We've got a Volkswagen ID4, which is worth over £40,000 in there.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, guys, for the generosity for this opportunity for one of the fans to actually win a car at the Sunderland game with a bit of half-time challenge. I've seen the car, it looks fantastic. Unfortunately, I'm not eligible to enter for the competition, otherwise I'd be in for it. You know?
I wish I was.
But a great, unique opportunity. I think it's the first time we've done anything to this sort of calibre. Like.
And there is also only a week left to enter the Kick to Win competition, isn't there?
Absolutely, yeah. So guys, get your entries in now with a chance to win a car, and a chance, you know, if you're not fortunate enough to get the car on the day, the finalists will also get free tickets to come to the game. And the people that haven't entered or still want to come to the game, there is opportunities online to get your tickets for the game, but they're selling very, very fast.
Fantastic. So if you want to get a ticket to that game and you cannot get one, well, it's a great way to do it. It's a completely free to enter competition, and you can even get a £500 part exchange voucher for every entry with a car at Pullman. So why wouldn't you? So it feels like there's a lot going on at South Shields at the minute, and there's a real sort of buzz around the place.
Yeah. Thanks again, Max. Yeah, obviously we've just mentioned Pullman being on the front of shirts, but you know, we want to say a big thank you to not just the fans. The fans are fantastic at South Shields Football Club and the back all the way, but the business community that's engaging with the club now. You know, we've just mentioned Pullman being on front of shirts again, which is amazing. We've also got a local guy, Sean Matthias, on my back of shirts for another season. We've got a security company, MBS, on my sleeve, and you know, I'm sure you've all heard of Wolf Competitions. He's retained his sponsorships on back of shorts, and I can't forget First Cloud, who've also renamed the stadium again for another season.
So there's only a few tickets remaining for the Sunderland match, and if you'd like to get yourself on, then you can head over to the South Shields website, or of course you can also enter our Kick to Win competition, and you might get the chance to go on the pitch at half time and win a car.
Pullman, delivering a fantastic customer experience.